Hi, welcome to Reachmentor. This video is all about WordPress installation and configuration. Open your browser and type wordpress.org and enter. Hit the download button. Now open your zip file. Copy the zip file and paste it in htdocs. Now extract your zip file and rename it as first project. The next step we have to do is we have to create a database. To do that, go to the browser and type localhost phpMyAdmin. Create a new database. Name it as first pro. Hit the create button. Now go to the htdocs and first one go to wp config. Rename your database first pro and save it. Go to the browser and type localhost and your folder name. In my case, my folder name is first one and I am going to hit it. Now it start loading. The next step is installation step. Okay, hit the continue button. And now name your site title. I am going to name it as first pro and give your password and check the confirm the password. Enter your mail ID and hit install WordPress. Now next thing, hit the login button. It will take you to the login page. Now enter your password that you have entered now just before. It started loading and now the dashboard will load. Here is our WordPress dashboard where you can install your themes, plugins and so on. Now go to the browser and type localhost and your folder name. In my case it's first one. It started loading and my first WordPress site is ready. Thank you, bye bye.